मेरे साथ मौजूद है इश्तियाक बेग, कॉन्सुलेट जनरल फ्रॉम मोरक्को फॉर कराची. सर, मुझे बताएं कि हाउ इज़ योर एक्सपीरियंस कनेक्टिंग विद PTPL?
देखिए, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल जी, इट्स ए रियली प्लेजर एंड ऑनर फॉर मी बीइंग ए कॉन्सल जनरल to attend this prestigious event here now. The event is the talk of the town, and I must congratulate the management and Mr. Zuhaira, who is doing a remarkable work. And now, just now, he explained me the street ball now it's going throughout Pakistan, not just about the city. So I would like to congratulate. And today I heard it's a great event, and I'm here, and I can see the people from all walk of life. I saw a few diplomats over here, the businessmen are here, few celebrities like you, they are here. So I wish everybody, all the management and their team for the good luck, and my support is always there. Hope this arrangement and this tournament one day will take place in Morocco, and I will be glad to facilitate.
Well, thank you so much. Thank you so much.